Some days it feels like life is pushing you to your knees, and yet somehow this exact moment, this exact message has found you. Not by accident, not by chance. Allah's timing is perfect. He knows the exact second you needed to hear this, the exact moment your heart was ready. The weight, the silence, the confusion, it all feels like too much. You start wondering, why is this happening to me? What did I do wrong? But here's the truth your heart keeps forgetting. Not every crack is a breaking. Some cracks are openings, places where the light is trying to enter. Allah tells you, He is the first and the last, the manifest and the hidden, and He has knowledge of everything. You don't see the reason now, but He sees the whole map of your life. The moments that made you, the ones that will transform you, and the perfect timing woven into every step. People think pain ruins you, but Allah uses pain to remake you. He removes what was holding you back. He shakes what was making you weak. He tests you not to break your spirit, but to burn away the parts that were never meant to survive. And when you fear you're running out of strength, remember, and Allah has power over all things. Your heart is not too shattered for Him. Your future is not too late for Him. Your life is not too complicated for Him. So hold on even if your hands are trembling. This hardness you're feeling isn't destruction, it's direction. It's Allah pointing you toward the version of you that only storms can shape, at the exact moment He knows you're ready for it. You're not being broken, you're being rebuilt. You're not being crushed, you're being crafted. This isn't the end of you. This is the beginning of the one you're meant to become, perfectly timed, perfectly guided, and perfectly His. Let me know in the comments if this video found you exactly when you needed it.